This car is Nissan Navara 2.5cc diesel engine. The problem of the car is that when starting the car, it does not go above 2000 revolutions per minute when the accelerator is pressed. Pickup does not happen while driving. Vehicle has no power when starting. For how to solve this problem of the car engine, watch the full video patiently. On behalf of this channel, I wish you all the best and congratulations. See that there is no problem in starting the car engine. To find out why the car does not go above 2000 revolutions per minute when driving, first check with the scan computer to see if there are any fault codes. To check the engine code with the scan computer, I first set the ignition key switch to the position. After ignition key switch position, now I will check using Iscan computer Auto Land 3. Now I will click engine to see the engine code. Now I will click on read fault code. Engine error code p1272 fuel rail pressure, FRP, relife valve open. This code is coming up because your suction control valve is not working properly. With the ignition switch off, go into the vehicle's engine compartment to check the pressure control valve. I have changed the fuel filter of this car, but the problem is not solved. Now I need to find the fuel regulator valve on this car that is attached to the fuel pump. Fuel pressure regulator valve is always a must, be able to supply correct fuel pressure to the injectors. Caused by fuel pressure regulator valve problem. The right side of the engine is behind the fuel pump. Open the fuel pressure regulator valve and take it out. See, this is the fuel pressure regulator valve. I opened it up and took it out. I will show you how to test after opening the suction control valve. 2-wire wiring diagram of suction control valve. 1 positive supply voltage and 2 negative signal lines from ECU. To check the fuel pressure valve, connect the 2 wires to the 2 pins, then connect the number 1 wire to the battery negative terminal and the number 2 wire to the battery positive terminal and check. This valve is fine, so the engine can be started but cannot accelerate above 2000 on the ramp while driving. The fuel pressure regulator valve has a problem. I will replace the old fuel rail pressure valve and install a new fuel pressure valve and test it. Now I will install this new fuel pressure regulator valve. Install the fuel pressure regulator valve correctly and tighten the 2 screws. After installing the fuel pressure regulator valve correctly and completing it, you must enter the car and clear the fault code first with the Iscan computer. First place the ignition key switch in the on position. Now click on Clear Fault Code to clear the engine code. Now the engine code is clear. Click Read Fault Code to recheck the engine code. See, now there are no more fault codes. Now after clearing the engine code, now I will start the engine of the car and test driving to see if the problem is solved or not. Inshallah, see, now there is no more problem. Now engine RPM goes up to 2000 while driving, no problem. Engine power is okay. Thank you very much for watching the video. After watching the video, if you have any problem to understand, please comment. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button to receive new videos as soon as they are uploaded. Like the video and give me a happy day to make new videos.